Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So now let's get started. But before we actually start, make sure you subscribe because majority of my viewers, are actually not a subscriber. You must have found this video through the search link or recommendation links. So that is why I want you to subscribe so you get an update from me anytime I do analysis on this our forex space. So let's take a look at New Zealand dollar card with New Zealand dollar to our Swiss franc for this week. So now we all know that there's a movement that is being made on this our New Zealand dollar card, right? That we are having a bullish move, right? And also we did analysis on this movement. I told you guys that we should be expecting a bullish move. Even last week, right? The upper one, I told you guys that we will be expecting a bullish move on New Zealand dollar card. Even upper 3 weeks ago, I also told you guys, you can take a look at it, right? You see this New Zealand dollar card, right? We actually had a bullish move, which our analysis was correct. Last week too, we also saw it, and this last week that just finished, we actually opened and closed bullish, right? Now we would want to see where this price will be moving for this week. So before you do that, you need to understand this movement, right? That means we will start from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. When you take a look at this monthly time frame, right, you see that there's one movement that you can clearly see, which is a ranging market move. I think this move started since 2013, 2014, right? You can see that this price will come to this level here, hit this resistance level, then it will drop down close to this our support level. Let's just tap here as the support level. We see it roll up again, come to the resistance level, right? We see this movement again down to this support level, right? Then we see this movement again to our resistance level and down to this support level. You see it even broke below this support level. Now price is now correcting itself and it is giving us that bullish move. Guess what? We will continue to see that bullish move to hit our resistance level. Now it's going to get to our resistance level. There are different factors. One is the card interest rate. Secondly is that bullish move we are having on this our New Zealand dollar. We will get into that in this video. Make sure you stick to the end. So now when you see that this price is ranging, right, we all know that once it hits our resistance level, then we should be expecting it to go down to our support level. Then again, it should get to our resistance level, right? No doubt about that. So we see that this price have come to our support level. It even broke below the support level, no doubt. Now this price is correcting itself and it is going to our resistance level. So guys, on this monthly aspect of it, will I say continue to go bullish, expect a continuous bullish move on this New Zealand card. Now you see the month of October, we actually opened and closed bullish, right? You can see it. You can also see the month of November on this New Zealand dollar card. We opened and closed bullish. Now when you take a look at this movement on December, right, you see that we actually opened and closed bullish. If it has not even closed, right, because the month has not ended, right, and you can see that this December movement we've actually gotten a bullish move. That is still to tell you that there is more bullish move to come. So still be expecting a further bullish move. Above all, till at least this time next year, we should at least taking out this our resistance level. So that is still to tell you that for into the next 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, we will continue to be seeing this bullish move on this New Zealand dollar card. So we would want to take out that bullish move till it take this our resistance level. So if you are a position trader or you are a long-term trader, I think this is the best movement you should go. If you can go ahead to go long on your New Zealand dollar card in next 3, 4, 5 months, you should be able to hit the resistance level and grab. So from how many pips will it give us if it gets to the resistance level? So it will give us close to 700 pips. So what I am saying here is about 680 something pips. That is close to 700 pips. I mean that is a lot you will grab in 3 to 4 months. And again, be able to grab it since it's a short thing. So New Zealand dollar card, we are on a bullish move. And I've also added this moving average, which is 10 period moving average. Now, this moving average will guide us. You all know that once this moving average is trading below when this price is trading below our moving average, especially 10 period moving average, we all know that it is a sell. So we should go ahead to sell. But once it is going up and it is trading above our 10 period moving average, if this price is giving us a bullish move and trading above our 10 period moving average, then there's only one movement you all should be watching out for, which is to actually go long, right? So we clearly can see we're having a bullish move which has broken above our moving average. So we would continue to go bullish. Now I like this level where I very much likely to get a pullback, which is a level of 0.89, or let's call it 0.90, right? Close to 0.90. The reason why I've highlighted this level is that once price give us a bullish move, we expect price to react here by giving us a pullback before it continues that bullish move on New Zealand dollar card. We all know that once price has reacted to a level previously multiple times, or previously, we tend to see price get to that same level and react to it. So we saw that price has once reacted to this level also. You can see the reaction at this level, and you can see the reaction at this level. Once price kind of came here, give us a pullback, then went up. Once price broke below it, it gave us a pullback to test it and drop. Now that this price is close to it, we expect this price to get to this level and before it give us a pullback. That is still to tell you that this month of December, we will still be expecting more bullish move. At least be able to take out this ice, which is about 200 pips, right? That is it. So we will be expecting a bullish move this week on this New Zealand dollar card. So expect more bullish move to be made. That should now take us to the weekly time frame, right? I told you guys that we would open and close bullish for the week. We actually did, right? This candlestick week here you are seeing is kind of like a pullback, right? Which is more visible on the daily time frame. We will get into that soon. So this is kind of like a pullback. It corrected itself. Now it has gone bullish and it has closed bullish. So this week that we are expecting, we would also expect it to actually give us a bullish move. Now, take a look at week one. We actually opened and closed bullish. Same thing with week two, week three, week four, week five, week six, week seven, week eight, week nine, and week 10 for good straight 9 weeks. That is go straight now. That's about 3 months now, right? We've actually opened and closed bullish. That is still to tell you that this movement, we still have more bullish move to be made. So this week also, we expect our price to open and close bullish. So watch out for movement on New Zealand dollar card. Secondly, if you take a look at this movement, we are also trading above our 10-period moving average. Like I do say, once this price is above the 10-period moving average, then there's only one movement you all should watch out for, which is to actually go bullish, go long on this New Zealand dollar card. So, like I said, we've we will continue to go bullish. There's no doubt we are having a pullback here, right? No doubt, because this candlestick week here represents like a pullback. So now that we've gotten it, so this week also we expect our price to move further and break above it to come and take out this our level that we just talked about, right? So this week, within this week and next week, within this week that I'm predicting and the upper one, we should be able to take out this level that I have highlighted. So watch out for it. New Zealand dollar card, we will be going bullish this week. Now let's take a look at what daily time frame actually says. So I may take a look at the trend on this daily time frame. I mean, before you place a trade, right, there's one question you want to ask yourself is that what is the trend for this moment? What is the trend for this asset? Is it Bitcoin you want to trade? Is it stocks you want to trade? Is it Forex? Is it commodity? You want to ask yourself what is the trend? So we can clearly see that on this New Zealand dollar card, which is on our Forex, you can see that this is an uptrend move. So you should be watching, looking for a setup to actually enter and go long, right? And the best setup to actually enter to go long on an uptrend move is when a pullback has happened. So you clearly see that price move here, right? Pullback was have happened here, then a lot of you must have gone long on this New Zealand dollar card, right? You have gone long because I also went long. It's also so that there's another pullback here. It should have given you an opportunity to actually go long again. Now we can see that this movement has been made, right? This is one of the reasons why I actually try to stay out of this long movements, right? Because I know a pullback will be happening soon. And now you can see a pullback has just happened. So is it the best opportunity to actually go long? Definitely yes. So once the market opens on Monday, I'll be looking for an opportunity, be it on my 4 hour time frame, just to go long for the week on this New Zealand dollar card. You can see I also went long on this pullback level. I also went long on this pullback level, and I was able to take my profits around there. And I waited, and I just had to be patient for a pullback to be made. So now that this pullback has been made on this New Zealand dollar card, it is now time for me to actually go ahead to go long on this New Zealand dollar card. We can also see a pullback has come to tap our 10-period moving average. So this is a good opportunity, guys, to actually go ahead to go long on this New Zealand dollar card for the week. So this New Zealand dollar card, we will be expecting or speculating a bullish move. Now let's take a look at this 4 hour time frame. You can take a look at this 4 hour time frame, right? Price has dropped, right? So I mean, we would want to go long on this New Zealand dollar card, right? And we would want to sit on the 4 hour time frame. Is this 4 hour time frame kind of giving us like a bullish move? Definitely no. We are not having a bullish move yet. This is giving us like a bearish move. So you see this as a drop. Here comes a pullback, right? And now this is a drop. So now this price is now correcting, right? There's every possibility that a drop might be happening again. So we just have to be patient on this 4-hour time frame. Wait, let this pullback happen. Then once a new ice comes into play and break this level, right? Break this previous ice, then go ahead to take your long movement on this New Zealand dollar card. So just be patient, wait for a pullback, and a new ice needs to be made. Once a new ice is made, then you now say, okay, 4-hour time frame is now giving us an uptrend move. Then we can go ahead to go long on this New Zealand dollar card. So all you just have to do is be patient. And above all, this price is still trading above this moving average. So still an indication that this price is still a long movement. So if you want to go ahead to go long on this New Zealand dollar card, then there is no problem. So go long. Now, last one we take a look at is New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. So when you take a look at this full trend, right, we see that this price previous this foot chart is not giving showing now, right? But you will see that once price has dropped down to this level, right? We saw price drop to this level, went up. Now price has come to this level again to take out this rules. So what X do you expect it to move? We expect it to actually go up again. So this is one of the we expect it to actually give us that bullish move. So I have watching out for a level of 0.61681. So let's see if we can be able to hit it this month or possibly next month, January. Within December, January, and February, we should be able to take out this level, right? Because I have seen that price has once reacted at this level, right? And I have seen that price has reacted at this level, right? Once price came to this same level, we also had a pullback that price reacted. You see this pullback here, price has reacted here, and price went up. This is one of the reasons why price reacted here. So I'm watching out. Price have reacted here, 1, 2, 3. So I'm watching out for this level, for this price to actually come here before price will give me a reaction by giving me a pullback. So this New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, I am still expecting a bullish move. And when you take a look at your New Zealand dollar pairs, you see that they are all going bullish. Be it New Zealand dollar to USD, be it New Zealand dollar CAD, be it New Zealand Swiss dollar Swiss franc, be it all Australia dollar to our New Zealand. You see that Australia dollar to New Zealand is dropping. So you see that New Zealand dollar itself is giving us a bullish move. So each day should be nothing different on this New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. So expect a bullish move, by the way. Now that should take us to the 4-hour weekly time frame. So you can see the trend on the weekly time frame. So this was an impulse move, and here comes a correction on this New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, right? A new ice was made that broke this previous ice, and now we've gotten a pullback. So this is a good opportunity to go ahead to go long on this New Zealand dollar card and Swiss franc. So I mean, if you are waiting for an opportunity to actually go ahead to go long, then this is the best opportunity to go, because a pullback has happened. Now it is now time for you to go ahead to go long. And you can see that this price is also trading above our 10-period moving average. So still an indication that this New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, we are on an uptrend move. We are on a bullish move. So you should go ahead to go bullish on this New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. Now let's take a look at what this daily time frame actually says. I mean, take a look at the trend for this daily time frame. You can see higher highs and higher lows. Now let's draw it together. This was an ice, and here comes a correction, right? And here we've gotten a new ice. Then here comes a correction on New Zealand dollar to Swiss franc. You can take a look at this new ice, and here comes a correction, right? You can take a look at this as a new ice. You saw that this ice actually broke this previous ice, right? So you can see it's new ice here, broke this previous ice, and now a correction has been made. Let's see if we will be expecting a bullish move this week. So this is what I'm expecting. We are expecting a bullish move. We saw price open and close green on Friday. You can see it here. We actually had about 60, close to 70 pips bullish move on Friday. So this is what we'll be expecting. Now let's take a look at our Fibonacci retracement too, right? Like if you're following this channel consistently, I do tell you guys that Fibonacci retracements, right, do react at two level. Once there's a pullback, it usually gets to two level before it continue its bullish move. Either this 23.6 or a level of 38.2. Once we have a pullback, price gets to 23.6, then expect a bullish move to be made. Or if price eventually breaks out of it, then you should see it get to a level of 38.2 and expect a bullish move. So be watching out for a two movements, two levels on Fibonacci retracement, either a level of 23.6 or a level of 38.2. But now price has gotten to a level of 23.6, so it has just given us a confirmation that we would continue that bullish move. So this New Zealand dollar Swiss franc, we see it for this week, we should also expect a bullish move. The daily time frame also says that. So you should consider going bullish for the week on this New Zealand dollar Swiss franc. And now let's see what this 4 hour time frame says. So this 4 hour time frame is here. This was kind of like previous support level, right? And this was previously a resistance level. So I'll possibly say you should wait. Maybe a pullback will occur here because price has once reacted to this level previously. Once price breaks out of this level, right, then you can go ahead to go long, or you can be patient enough for another pullback to be made. Once a pullback has been made, then you can go ahead to go long. So it just depends on how you want to place this trade. It is up to you. Above all, this week, New Zealand dollar Swiss franc will be going bullish for the week.